Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. As always, want to start off the video by saying thank you to all the subscribers, all the viewers, all the supporters on the channel, showing the channel so much support. Immensely appreciated. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, just quickly want to talk about 3 stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. This may be the last week to get into a dividend capture type of strategy. As you guys know, next week the fiscal year is ending. On the 1st, every profit, either a buy and hold or a dividend capture, will now be on the 2018 fiscal year. So this next week here, there's a few more opportunities to get in and out of a trade. And there are 3 stocks here that I think would be very good candidates for a dividend capture type of strategy. And these 3 stocks all have ex-dividend dates on the 28th and 29th of December, right before the new year. So the first stock here, FRT. This is one of the stocks I've talked about quite a bit in the past. It's a dividend king. If we go to the bottom here, we can see what this company is all about here. It's an equity real estate investment trust. It has a number of different business operations. You can see in the middle here, the earnings have been quite good over the last 4 quarters or so. You can see that actual EPS much higher than the expected EPS there over the last 4 quarters, starting Q4 2016, about $1.50 per share, as you can see there, per quarter. The dividend yield is not that high, to be quite honest, 2.702%. It's not something I would consider a high dividend, but it's a very good dividend, as it's a dividend king company. It's had a dividend for the past 50 years plus, and it's also increased its dividend over that time span as well. So it's a very secure and reliable dividend. The market cap there as well, $9.46 billion, a very large real estate investment trust. The only downside has been this graph here over the past year has been lagging substantially behind the S&P 500. While the market's up about 20% or so, this is actually down 4%, which is not a big contraindication to getting into the stock with regards to dividend capture, but it definitely is something to take a look at for a buy and hold investor. Over the last 5 years here, you can see it had that very nice climb up here, up 80% or so, really matching the market. And then over the past year or so, it has been coming back a bit, up 43.9% over the last 5 years. So FRT here, Federal Real Estate Investment Trust, it has an ex-dividend date on the 29th with a payment date on the 16th of January 2018. It'll be $1 per share, representing about a 3% dividend for this stock. So not a bad company. The dividend could be a little bit higher, but a very good candidate for dividend capture for next week. The second company here, Realty Income. O is its ticker symbol. We can see on the bottom here. This is a real estate company which engages in generating dependable monthly cash dividends, which is a very nice little bonus with this company. O, as well as the next stock I'll be talking about, STAG. They both have monthly dividends, and you can see some of the dividends I've received here starting in September 15th, 2017, moving forward. Every month, a very nice dividend payment there. Again, like FRT, its actual EPS has been way higher than the expected EPS over the last 4 quarters here. It's got a good dividend yield, 4.181%. And the market cap there, you can see this is a very large company, one of the most well-respected companies as well with regards to a real estate investment trust. $15.74 billion is its market cap. Over the past 1 year as well, you can see it's kind of lagged behind the overall S&P 500. Over the past 5 years, just like FRT, it was doing exceptionally well, up 100% or so over a 4-year time span before coming back here a bit. But still, this is a great long-term hold, as well as a stock that you can jump into, capture the dividend, and then get out of the stock, the dividend capture type of strategy. So I like FRT for that reason, and I like O for that reason as well. And the last stock here, STAG, Stag Industrial. We'll go to the bottom here, a little bit different business model than the others. This is a real estate investment trust that focuses on the acquisition and operation of single-tenant industrial real estate and properties. So much different than the other 2 real estate investment trusts. And you can see I've had this for quite some time. Not a big dividend payment there. Just have 1 share of this company, but you can see here every month a nice dividend coming in. The earnings, just like the other 2 companies, have always beaten the expected earnings per share. Very low actually for the expected earnings per share. Not quite sure what that's about. But you can see the actual EPS has been very, very dependable there. The dividend yield is the highest of the 3 stocks that I'm talking about today, 5.823%. It's a little bit smaller company, $2.55 billion for the market cap. And you can see the performance up on top here over the past year. It's up 22.93%. And over the past 5 years here, it's up 106.77%. So a little bit different than FRT and O. This stock has actually been thriving over the past year here. Again, up 22.93%, beating the market. And over the last 5 years, beating the market as well, up 106.77%. And this stock here will have an ex-dividend date on the 28th, payment date of the 16th. Payment will be 12 cents per share for about a 5.19% dividend yield or so. And I actually forgot to talk about that with O here. Its ex-dividend date is on the 29th. Payment on January 12th, 21 cent dividend for a 4.57% dividend yield. So 3 companies here, very, very good companies. STAG here beating the market. Real Estate Investment Trust beating the market, which is quite rare to be quite honest. It's got a great dividend yield as well, 5%. Again, ex-dividend date on the 28th. The next stock here, O, Realty Income, ex-dividend date on the 29th for about a 4.57% dividend. And FRT here, ex-dividend date on the 29th, payment on the 16th, dollar per share, 3.07% or so for that dividend payment. So 3 companies here. Please take a look at those if you are considering doing one more dividend capture at the end of the year here. Again, it might be a little bit difficult to get out of that stock before the end of the year. So you might be able to buy it by the end of the year, but to sell off will be kind of difficult, to be quite honest. So I kind of presented this as the last dividend capture of 2017, but this will probably go on to the 2018 fiscal year when you do sell the stock off the week of January 1st there, 2018. So anyway, 3 stocks here, 3 very good stocks that I have in the portfolio. I'm looking to put a little bit more money into the portfolio to capture a little bit of a dividend and then try to get out as soon as I can, probably over a week or 2 time span. But please let me know if you guys think these are good stocks or not, or if you guys have better suggestions for a dividend capture this next week here. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about those stocks. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have questions about this video or other videos, please let me know in the comment threads. And yeah, with that, I'll kind of end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.